In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a strip to your workspace canvas layout in Wix Editor. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Wix Editor. Once you're inside the editor, make sure your workspace canvas layout is open and visible on screen. This is important because the strip needs to be added directly to the section of the page you're actively working on. Before you click anything, take a quick moment to look over the current layout so you have a clear idea of where the new strip will fit best. Next, move your attention to the left side of the Wix editor, where you'll see the main workspace toolbar. This panel contains the tools used to build and customize your page. From there, click the plus icon labeled Add Elements. When you select it, a menu will open with different categories of items you can place onto your page, such as text, images, decorative elements, and layout tools. This is the area you'll use whenever you want to insert something new into your design. Now, from the category list that appears, click on Strip. A strip in Wix is a flexible, full-width container that helps you organize content across your page in a clean and visually structured way. It's especially useful when you want to create a section that stands out, separate content into clear blocks, or build a more polished layout. After clicking Strip, you'll be shown a selection of preset style containers. These presets are designed to give you a quick starting point, so you don't have to build the section from scratch. Take a moment to browse through the available strip styles and choose the one that best matches the look and purpose of your page. Some styles may be simpler and better for clean layouts, while others may have a more designed appearance that works well for featured sections. Click on your preferred preset style container to add it to the canvas. Once it appears on the page, you can begin positioning it within your layout and preparing it for any content you plan to place inside later. Choosing the right preset at this stage can save time and make the rest of your page design feel more consistent. That's all it takes to add a strip in Wix Editor using Chrome. Follow these same actions anytime you want to create a new full-width section and build a more organized page layout.